Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some nice conditions out there, lighter winds across the region as well as some mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies across the area. Seeing a little bit of low-level cloud cover and patchy fog out there this morning, especially inland away from the coast. But overall, should see that any of that fog or low cloud burn off fairly quickly this morning, and just seeing some fairly nice conditions today, with only about a 10% chance of a rain shower. So looking like we'll stay dry and looking like temperatures will rebound into the 70s today, so a little bit warmer as well. Have this surface area of low pressure across the Mid-Atlantic region that's going to be associated with an upper level low that's currently west of the surface low pressure. This warm front that moved through yesterday gave us the rainfall across the region. It's currently north of the area, will continue to stay north of the area. Really shouldn't see much forcing today right along the coastline to see any showers or thunderstorms. Seeing a better chance of a shower or a possibility of a thunderstorm in the central locations of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning. But overall, the Delmarva should stay fairly dry today in comparison to yesterday. Looking at our current observation, we had a few clouds at 500 feet of broken deck at 3,100 feet, winds out of the southwest at 5 knots, temperature 67 degrees, and relative humidity at 97%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have a little bit of cloud cover out there around 3,000 feet, giving us a broken deck this morning. Just over the main base island is seeing more clear skies this morning, with a little bit of that patchy low-level cloud cover fog as well. Going to see most of the cloud cover today stay off to our north and to our west, and just seeing some cumulus clouds build during the afternoon hours today. So taking a look at the HRM model and how that's going to play out for our dry reflectivity, you can see at noon today nothing in the Delmarva, just some showers and possibly embedded thunderstorms across northern Virginia as well as western Maryland. And move into this afternoon, here's 2 and then 3 o'clock local time. You can see a possibility of a shower across central and western Delmarva. That looks like the best chance of seeing a rain shower or thunderstorm today, mainly northwest of Salisbury, possibly down into Salisbury in the afternoon hours. But overall, Wallops should stay dry today, and continuing on through this evening, nothing showing up on the HRM and not expecting much across the region. So looking at our 24-hour risk chart, you can see we'll have a high of 79 degrees today at Wallops, a low of 66. No chance of precipitation or lightning today. We'll stay in the green, and those chances should be below 5% for lightning and below 10% for our precipitation chances. You can see that low clouds or fog possibly move in tonight below 500 feet or below a mile. Our winds will be out of the southeast at 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 17 knots during the peak wind today, with the sea breeze coming onshore or a stronger wind off the ocean coming onshore for the late afternoon and the evening hours. And then tonight we'll see a very light southwesterly wind at 4 to 8 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see a chance of that broken deck of 500 feet until about 9 local this morning. Then overall, just should see VFR conditions today. A slight chance we see that brief sprinkle from noon until 1500 local today at Wallops, but looking like that's below 10%. And then after that, we'll just see anywhere from VFR conditions in general to possibly some ceilings around 500 feet with some low-level cloud cover moving in after 20 local or 8 p.m. this evening, and that'll last through tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, we should see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions across the region. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday partly to mostly cloudy and humid, a slight chance of morning low clouds and fog, then slightly breezy with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon evening. We'll see a high of 80 degrees. Precipitation chances are continuing to dwindle for Friday in comparison to yesterday's forecast for Friday. Looks like that upper level low is going to be slower to move towards the region, and that should keep us with slimmer chances of those showers and thunderstorms, and they would mainly be during the afternoon evening hours of Friday. And models are starting to hint that the afternoon chances are not really that high either. It would mainly be the evening chances, but with the humid air mass on Friday as well as that upper level low fairly close to the region, Can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon. Then for Friday night, partly to mostly cloudy. Slight chance of low clouds or fog overnight. Also a slight chance of a thunderstorm or shower in the evening and early overnight hours. A low of 67 degrees. Looking like these precipitation chances and lightning chances around 20 to 25% for Friday and Friday night, so not very high chances. And Saturday looks like our best chance of rainfall of the next several days. Looking like partly to mostly cloudy skies, scattered afternoon, evening showers and thunderstorms. A slight chance of morning fog or low clouds, a high of 81. Looking like about a 50% chance of rainfall and about a 30% chance of the lightning in the area. So that'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.